Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Saira Iqbal Khan, Lead Talent Acquisition and Management at Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements, UMT. UMT is basically a significant player in academic industry with 25,000 plus students, 20,000 plus alumni, and with 750 plus faculty members, whereby 250 are the PhDs. We have also been nominated as top 500 in a QS Asia ranking and 400 plus in the Word for Societal Impact by Times Higher Education UK. Talking about specifically this Career Week 2021, so Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements at UMT, under the vision of President UMT, Mr. Ibrahim Hassan Murad, has launched one of its own kind, iconic learning and development focused virtual platform with the name of Career Week 2021, whereby, the purpose of this week is to orient the students about the emerging trends and challenges of the industry, and also to prepare them to, to emerge as winners in the future water walk. We have also brought together, best of the best employers, speakers and professionals from the industry to participate in this Career Week and to connect with the youth. The theme of today's day in Career Week is Shape Up Studio, and in this regard, we have invited the Coca-Cola HHX CCI for an induction session, whereby they will be briefing the students about their company, and they will also be briefing them about the management training program, MTA program, and their criteria and the entire application process. I would like to make one more point over here, because I understand the HR team from the CCI is also present over here. Coca-Cola, in HHX, has been very aggressive in terms of the, investing in talent management and acquisition. And back in 1992, they launched a very powerful program with the name of TMI, Total Management Impact. And we at OCLP, at Office of Corporate Linkages and Placements, we are, working on creating a high potential league in line with the specific requirements of the industry, so that we can invest in them, we can train them according to the requirements, and we can help industry to minimize its training cost, so that these students join Coca-Cola as their passionate productivity partners. So yes, I would now like to hand over the session to the Coca-Cola team, whereby we have Ms. Amreen Qasser, who's Talent Management Specialist, Sharud Zafar, Talent Acquisition Manager, Samia Hassan, HR Specialist, Ali Bashir, HR Specialist. And in the session, there will be an exclusive section with the name of Coke and Gupshup by Hassan Adnan. So you will also be having an opportunity to interact with CCI teams in terms of Q&A session. So I would like to hand over the session now to the Coca-Cola team. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Saira, for the detailed introduction. And Assalamu alaikum, everybody. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all well. I'm Sharud Zafar. I'm working as a talent acquisition manager within CCI Pakistan. I'm just going to briefly introduce myself and a little bit about my team, and then we're going to go over the presentation, and then we can have that interaction with you guys as well. So I've been associated with CCI Pakistan for about 8 years now, completing very soon. I had the opportunity to start with this organization 8 years ago as a management trainee, and it's been a very exciting journey so far, full of a lot of interesting things, a lot of interesting assignments and a lot of interesting projects, and an immense amount of learning. So we're very happy today that we're here with you guys, and I think, if I'm not wrong, this is the first time that we're actually coming to UET for a recruitment drive. So we're very happy to partner with you, and we're very thankful for all of you for hosting us as well in your prestigious institute. So we look forward to this, and we hope to see you, some of you, as part of the selection process, and who knows, maybe part of the management trainee program 2021. So having said that, we're just going to start off with the session. So just a few ground rules before we go ahead. I would appreciate if all of you could keep your mics on mute. You can switch off your cameras or you can switch on your cameras, whatever that you feel comfortable with. If during the session you have any question or any query, please feel free to use the chat section and our team will be responding to you on the spot, or we will take the questions at the end of the session. During the two-way interaction, because just like Saira mentioned, that we have a Coke or Gupshup session as well as part of this session today, where you will get to interact with Hassan Adnan, who was the Director HR at CCI Pakistan, and who is now also working as a Field Sales Director within our organization. And not only that, he's been associated with UMT for a short period of time during his earlier years as well. So he has a very positive association with your institute. So during the two-way session, I would request you to please raise your hand so that we can then take your questions and we can get to you as soon as possible. And any queries or questions that you have will be answered at the end of the session once we're done with the detailed presentation. So moving on. All right, so we are here for the Management Training Program 2021. I am sure that you guys must have heard about the Management Training Program, and we've been doing this program for quite a few years. We've been doing this since, I think, 2011 onwards. It's a program that has consistently helped us bring fresh talent, fresh top talent from prestigious organizations within within our organization, and it has played an instrumental role in helping us build our leadership pipeline as well over the years. So I'm sure you must have heard about it, but before we go deeper into what the Management Trainee Program is all about, let's talk a little bit about who we are. So if you could go to the next slide, please. Amreen, if you could go to the next slide. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I think there's some technical issue. How about I share my screen? I think that will be easier. Just let me know when you can see my screen and then I will continue.
It's visible.
Okay, great, great. All right, so does anybody, like, if you can just maybe switch on your mic and tell me a little bit, do you guys know what CCI is, what Coca-Cola HCheck is? Have you heard about us? Do you know what's the difference? Hi, ya na would do.
So me guess.
Sorry? You guys can unmute your mic and let me know.
Actually, we don't have that much information and we don't know that there's a difference between CCI and that.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So this is a great opportunity for us to tell you about
Yeah.
CCI. All right. So Coca-Cola का आप सब लोगों ने सुना होगा. Coca-Cola is a world-renowned brand, loved by millions across the globe. And I don't think there's anybody out there who's not heard of this brand. And one of the interesting facts about us is that I think after the word okay, the most commonly known word across the world used to be Coke at some point. And I think it still is. So again, a drink that we all kind of, a beverage that we all kind of grew up with. We all are very familiar familiar with it, but did you know some of the interesting facts that Coca-Cola is present around 134, it's about present around 200 plus countries across the globe. We have been in this business for about 134 years, refreshing consumers. We have a record daily sales of about 1.9 billion servings. Then we have been the #1 brand worldwide in terms of sparkling beverage, still beverage, ready-to-drink juices, juice drinks, and ready-to-drink coffee. So for all of those who did not know, we have a very diversified portfolio with more than 3,500 products, 3,600 plus products being sold across the world. So what you see in Pakistan is a very small portfolio, but there are a lot more that Coca-Cola manufactures and sells around the globe. Other than that, Coca-Cola is known globally for its different brands, different initiatives, where we are associated with empowering women, we're associated with helping the socio-economic balance between different societies, impoverished parts of the world. One of our biggest affiliations is with as a core sponsor for FIFA. So these are some of the credentials that Coca-Cola has under its name. इंटरब्रांड रेटिंग का आप लोगों में से कुछ लोगों ने शायद सुना होगा, जो कि मार्केटिंग शायद पढ़ते हैं या बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के स्टूडेंट्स हैं. You must have heard about the interbrand rating. So if you see the interbrand rating of the brands, top brands across the world for 2020, Coca-Cola is number 6 on the list. And as you can see, among the top brands that are mentioned here, we're the only beverage brand within this ranking, falling shortly behind all the IT tech companies, giants that you know across the globe. 4 years ago, Coca-Cola had a consistent standing of being the #1 brand for 13 consecutive years. However, with these IT giants taking more leverage over the years, but still we're the only beverage brand amongst the top brands across the world. This is something Interbrand is very well known for, sharing ratings across the world for different brands, and you can of course check that for yourself. Now, ये थोड़ी बात होगी Coca-Cola के बारे में. So who are we? How do we play a part in terms of Coca-Cola? So we are Coca-Cola Ichichek. I will share more details on what Coca-Cola Ichichek is, but we are part of the Coca-Cola system. So what is the Coca-Cola system? Coca-Cola system is Coca-Cola, the Coca-Cola company, which is known for the multi-million-dollar brand that you see, you know, the red and white that you are so familiar with. So there's Coca-Cola company, which is part of the innovation and the creation behind the brand, the marketing behind the brand itself. In addition to that, there are bottlers that the company partners with, and then there are distributors or distribution networks that are ensuring that the product is taken to the customer and consumer. So we are the in-between partner, bottler partners. So we are helping Coca-Cola manufacture the product and deliver the product to the end consumer and customer. So Coca-Cola across the globe has about 225 bottling partners worldwide. And if we talk about their presence in Pakistan, if we talk about the bottling presence in Pakistan, we have about more than 300,000 outlets which are part of our universe. And then we have a market share currently of 50.9% amongst the beverages that are being sold within the Pakistan market. Coca-Cola company itself is headquartered in Atlanta, and this is now where Coca-Cola Ichichek comes in. So like I said, that you saw the middle partner, which was the bottler. So we are a bottling partner to Coca-Cola. We are part of a company called Coca-Cola Ichichek, which is a Turkey-based organization. It is one of the largest bottlers of Coca-Cola in terms of its sales. We are present in 10 different countries, including Pakistan and Turkey and a few others, which we will show you in the later slides. CCI has about 8,500 employees working across these 10 different countries. We have about 400 million consumers within our geographies. We have about $2 billion investments that are going into different initiatives, and we operate with 26 plants. And CCI was established back in 1964. So what do? We manufacture the product, the final product that you see. We package it, and we sell it along with our distribution partners, and we make sure that we do it in collaboration with the Coca-Cola company, and we make sure that we deliver the final refreshing product to our end customer and consumer at the end of the process. Now, what are some of the geographies? Like I mentioned, that CCI is present in 10 different countries. So we have a very prominent presence in Turkey, of course, which is where CCI is headquartered. Then Turkey is the largest market for CCI. This is followed by Pakistan, which is the second largest market in terms of its volume and revenue. And then along with that, we are present in different countries such as Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Iraq, Jordan, and Syria. So this is our universe that we operate in as CCI. Within CCI Pakistan, we have a presence in 11 different locations across the country. We have a consumer base in Pakistan of about 208 million people, and we operate within Pakistan with the help of 6 plants in 6 different cities, including Lahore, Gujranwala, Faisalabad, Multan, Rahimia Khan, and Karachi. And I don't know if you guys are following up, then you must have heard, you must have seen on social media that we have another plant upcoming very soon in the KPK region. So that is something that we look forward to. Other than that, we have sales offices and we have presence in all the 10 cities that you can see on the map. So this is where we operate from, and we have employees working in all these different cities. What are some of the brands? So I'm sure कि आपने market में जब आप जाते होंगे तो आपने Coca-Cola के different brands ज़रूर देखे होंगे. I'm not going to ask you guys about this because I know a lot of people still get confused, but as you can see, some of the different SKUs that we sell within the market include Sprite, Sprite Zero, Coke, we have Coke Zero, then there's Fanta, and then of course we have our own water product, which is Dasani. And along with that, we have a very small operation in the juice market as well, which you must have seen as Cappy Pulpy. So these are some of the SKUs that we are selling within the Pakistani market. And of course, there's always an investment in terms of innovation for more products that we can bring. But that, of course, has to be supported by proper market research. Now, at CCI Pakistan, we are one strong unit. We are a very strong value chain. Somebody's mic is unmuted. Okay. So okay, thank you so much. So at CCI Pakistan, we are one strong team, one big family that is divided into a bunch of functions or departments, as you might want to refer to. So we have finance, sales, then of course there's supply chain, there's marketing, we have human resources, internal audit, legal, public affairs and communications, and digital technologies, which is the wing that looks after our IT and our digitalization projects. And then of course there's general management, which is basically the strategic hub or the strategic unit, which is the GM and the leadership team that looks after all the executive decisions of the organization. But these are some of the functions or the departments that we operate in. And these are some of the areas that when you apply with us for the management trainee program or you want to pursue a career, these are some of the areas where you can actually join in and be a part of the organization as. Now, just like any other company, we have a vision. And at CCI, our vision is to be the best FMCG company across all our markets. So that does not mean just the beverage market, but that means across all FMCG company. Now, in order to achieve our vision, we have a game plan, and our game plan is right here in front of you guys. So our game plan to achieve this vision is divided into 3 core pillars. First is our customer and consumer. These are stakeholders that are very close to our heart, and these are the reason that we are in this business. These are the people that we are serving day in and day out, providing refreshment on a daily basis, 24/7 throughout the year. So again, having a satisfied customer and consumer base is very important for our success. It's very important for how we serve our customers. The second pillar is our people. So I know that you must have heard a lot of cliched taglines that our people are our biggest assets. But honestly speaking, as somebody who's been associated with the company for so long, at CCI, you will feel that you are part of one big happy family. And I think we'll show you something like that as we move later on during the session. But people are truly an asset for the organization. And our aim is that we create a great place to work for, where people are engaged, they are motivated, and they are inspired to contribute. And then third leg of the game plan is focused around community. So how can we forget the community that we operate in? For us, that community is very important. So whether it's in terms of our CSR initiatives in the form of Pani, where we are providing safe drinking water to impoverished communities, or whether it's in terms of partnering with local sports agencies, or it's with partnering with maybe organizations such as TCF or WWF. This is another facet of our operation that is very important, because we cannot sustain or we cannot grow without our efforts towards the community. Now, the purpose of aligning our efforts in all of these legs is that we create value. We create value for each and every individual that's part of our customer and consumer. That is our people. That is our community. And we want to create value for each and every person that is associated with CCI. And that is how we believe that we can be the best FMCG across the market. What is the groundworks on which we can actually all achieve that? बहुत simple सा formula है. We believe in 4 core values. And if you look at the screen, I mean, they're not going to seem, something that's out of the world. I mean, these are things that you've heard. These are things that you also practice day in and day out, whether it's with your social interaction, whether it's with your family interaction, in your general sphere of life. So we believe at CCI, we believe in passion. We think that it's important that you put your heart and mind into everything that you do. We believe in teamwork, where we believe in people collaborating for collective success. We believe in accountability, where we act with a high sense of responsibility, and we hold ourselves accountable. And of course, the most important, integrity, that we are open, we are honest, ethical, and we trust and respect each other. And that is how we come together to make one company with one team and one vision. So these core values are the values that we believe that each and every employee associated with Coca-Cola must possess. And if you feel that you have these 4 values and you live these day in and day out, then you can be a right fit for our organization, and you can definitely join us and try your luck as part of the CCI family. Now, at CCI, other than our core business, we believe in strengthening ourselves and preparing ourselves for the future. So the digital technology side that you just saw, we have been, as an organization, during the COVID times and the recent things happening across the world in terms of how companies have been evolving, we have been heavily investing towards our digital front as well. So where we continue to create value for our people and the stakeholders around us, it is important that we also evolve as an organization. And with that, our focus is predominantly on how we sustain ourselves in the long run by working on our overall infrastructure, which is going to help us evolve, which is going to help us create value, not through maybe, let's say, manual processes, but it's going to help us sustain in the years to come, where we're talking about maybe artificial intelligence or robotics. And in that line, if you feel that you have a mindset that is that likes to innovate, that likes to be creative, that is curious, and if you feel that you have a startup mindset, you want to start things, you want to take up initiatives, you have that entrepreneurial spirit where you are working with an organization, but at the same time you're contributing towards a larger or a wider cause, then CCI is definitely a place where you get to experiment that, and you get to innovate, and you get to be creative. Now, having said that, I think we've given you a lot of information about what CCI is all about. I'm going to hand it over to my colleague, who's going to talk to you a little bit about the culture and give you a little bit of glimpse into what we are and how we live in day in and day out. So over to you. Sanya?
Thank you, Shahrukh. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
ma'am.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much, Shahrukh, for that wonderful introduction about CCI, what we are, our culture and values. And guys, that is something that depicts very strongly in the culture that CCI have. If you remember, our values, passion, teamwork, accountability truly reflect what our culture is. When we talk about Coca-Cola, we talk about opening happiness, and that is what we all try to achieve in our work day in, day out. I would request Shahrukh to play a small video that we have, which will show you what exactly is happening at the office and what we are. Over to you, Shahrukh.
हम एक है।
हम एक हैं।
इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं।
Thank you so much, Sharud. And with that, we'll move on to our next phase, that is management trainee program, Uncover the Leader in You. I hope you all are as excited as we are in bringing you guys on board and walking you through what we are going to offer. Sharud, next slide, please. So guys, the building blocks of this program, let's go a quick walkthrough of what you as an individual will be going through if you happen to join us. It is a 12-month long journey with 1 month orientation period, 10 months in assigned functions, and 1 month cross-functional rotation that you will be going through. We'll start off with orientation of 4 weeks, a very detailed orientation agenda that will help you familiarize with organization culture, our values, our leadership behaviors, our functions, how do we operate, and it will give you a quick, a walkthrough of what is in store for you for the next 12 months. Which will then be followed by functional development of 4 months, later on followed by functional LT assessment. So once you're done with your 4 weeks of functional development, you'll be assessed on how your performance has been so far. Then you'll be moved into cross-functional rotation. That is, if you're in HR, you could be placed in supply chain, you could be placed in commercial or any other support department, and vice versa. And then you'll be moved on to in a functional role for 6 months. And after that, finally, you'll have a up and out discussion, and where you will be given the information whether you've been confirmed or what's in store for you for that. Having said that, the project timeline is of 12 months, and with that, we have many learning initiatives lined up for you. Personal visioning, will help you unleash your potential. You will be given a very detailed training session on CCI values, leadership management series, and obviously in-house capability development for all of you. With that, you'll also be having high visibility projects with Group Office and our Pakistan leadership team, and structured mentorship programs, leadership development, performance management throughout this 12-month long journey that you will be having. Let me make it clear to you, please do not take this as something similar to an internship. This is a full hands-on 1 year long job experience that you will be going through. Next slide, please. So why our management training program? Number one, we are the best in class. We build the best in class talent. We build the best in class leaders. And also we help you in developing functional business and leadership skills. It is engaging, it is very competitive. You will be on your toes, you will learn a lot, not only within your own function, but also what the other functions are doing. Last but not the least, we are developing a talent pipeline for our senior leadership roles across Coca-Cola ICHEC. Like we said, we are a group of 10 countries, so you're not only limited to Pakistan, you have access to the entire geography that we are operating in. Next slide, please. So what is our recruitment process, guys? Functional and cross-functional development, relationship-based development through coaching and mentoring. This is what you need to keep in mind, and with that you are at the first stage, that is the recruitment drive and our go live session. So welcome to that. Right after this, you will move on to our online assessment stage, where you will go through an online assessment. The ones who clear that stage will move on to the digital interview round. And then you will move on to our talent snatch, also known as our online gamification stage, the functional interview stage, and then you'll move on to a digital assessment center. And then last but not the least, PXT and panel interviews. What is PXT? PXT is basically, it is a select and online assessment that will measure your cognitive ability, your thinking style, behavior, and interests that align with the role that you are applying for. So guys, keep these steps in mind, because this is what we'll be following through. So all the best to you for the recruitment process. Next slide, please. All right. So what are the steps that you will be going through? Like I said, online applications. Right after this, go to our website, go and fill out your application form. Be mindful of filling out all the asked areas. Next up, you'll have online assessment. Number 3, digital interviews. 4, functional interviews. Step number 5, digital assessment center. 6, PXT and panel interviews, and last but not the least, offer placement. So all the best, guys, with these steps, and we're always here if you have any questions or any queries related to that. Our proposition. So what do we have in store for you? So you will have the opportunity to work with highly motivated and passionate co-workers. We are the top brand and we have a very high conducive growth environment. We give you the opportunity to handle greater responsibilities at a relatively early stage in career. I think I did not mention, but I joined CCI as a management trainee myself. So yes, I can definitely vouch for this, that greater opportunities at a very early stage of the career. Opportunities for accelerated professional development through movement across functions. So you're not only limited to your own function, you'll also get a flavor of all the other functions that we have. Opportunity to develop towards general management positions. You will be given the opportunity to take ownership. And last but not the least, we have market attractive compensation and differentiation for performance. So here's what we have in store for you guys. Next slide, please. All right, so here's a small clip of our management trainees who joined us last year and the process that they went through. Shahrud, over to you. Thank you.
I expect to grow professionally as well as personally through this MT program.
I feel ecstatic, honored and accomplished to be associated with CCI.
I'm absolutely thrilled and I feel pride in being a part of CCI Pakistan.
We are ready whatever the leader in us.
All right, guys, so that was something. I see a lot of questions in the chat box. Guys, we'll address all your questions towards the end of the session. And I read one question which says that it's a very long recruitment process. It may seem like one, but that's how we get the best in class, like I said. So over to my colleague who will take you at what we are looking for. So over to you, Sarah.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ali Rashid. Thank you, Sania and Shahrud, for the detailed insight. Hopefully, you all know about the Coca-Cola system, CCI geographical presence of CCI itself, CCI Pakistan and its department, its cultural element, values. And now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. What we are actually looking for. Those who have 3.0, 3 and above CGPA are eligible. All those who have masters and above for business and the social sciences are eligible, but for engineering, we will consider the bachelor's plus the additional ACCA and the chartered accountant, the professional one. All those who are fresh and less than 1 year of experience can apply. Maximum age limit for this is 28 years, and you must be open to relocate anywhere across Pakistan. I hope you have seen the geographical spread of the Pakistan. Next slide, please.
This is for all those who, for those people who are thinking that the selection process is a bit long.
Yes, the best part of this whole program is this golden ticket. Let's go towards, I think, let's not wait for it. Let's go to the next slide. अच्छा, all those, इसका process हम बाद में discuss करते हैं कि क्या है. All those who will be part in this CCI सितारे, जो total number होंगे 5 candidates हम select करेंगे, उसका process क्या होएगा आगे चल के देखते हैं. But they all successful 5 candidates will skip the first 3 part. They will go directly on the functional interviews, the digital assessment center, and the last one is the panel interviews. Okay, now let's go towards the next slide. आपने करना क्या होएगा? करना सिर्फ simply इतना है कि 60 seconds की आपने एक वीडियो बनानी है, LinkedIn के ऊपर उसको पोस्ट करना है under the hashtag uncover the leader in you, और उसमें एड्रेस आपने जो करना है, that's basically why you should become the next CCI Pakistan Management 2021. What we are looking for, we are looking for your passion, we are looking for the creativity in yourself, we are looking how you drive to be a leader. So these are the main junks. जो अभी मैं chat box में भी एक देख रहा था कि question what skills you are required. These are some of the soft skills जो आपके अंदर we are looking for it. और ये 60 seconds की वीडियो आप LinkedIn प्रोफाइल के ऊपर टैग करेंगे under the tagline hashtag uncover the leader in you. Best. The next slide.
If I just may add here, Ali, I just want to make it very clear to the students who are participating in this. This is where you show us what you've got, you know. So we want to see your creativity. We want to see how you can innovate. We want to see, you know, कि आप हमें किस तरह अपना passion दिखा सकते हैं, and that drive and that thirst to be a leader, you know. So we're going to do our best to help you uncover the leader within you, but we want to see how badly you want it. So 60 seconds, go to your LinkedIn. I hope you guys all have LinkedIn profiles. If not, then please do make it. Then post it and make sure you do not forget the hashtag, because our team is going to look at those videos. We're going to see the top 5 most creative ones, and then we're going to make the selection. And we're going to give you guys the golden ticket. So you get to bypass the initial 2 steps, assessment steps of the recruitment process. So don't wait for it. Start thinking, get those creative juices flowing. 17th April tak apni submission kar dijiyega, taaki our team can start looking at it. And keep in mind, you're not in competition with the rest of the people here. You're in competition with a lot of people across the country. So hurry up.
Best of luck, guys. So let me introduce with the personality who is taking this session, Coke and Cup Shop. He is one of the best HR guru, the mentor, the best speaker, and the great leader. Hassan Adnan, obviously, he has set the bar high for the HR department as an HR director. Now he has taken the challenge of commercial and currently working as a field sales director. I would like to hand over the floor to Hassan Adnan now. Welcome, Hassan.
Hassan, I think you're mute. Hassan, we can't hear you. Yes, we can hear you now. Yeah.
You can hear me now. Okay, so I'll go without these headphones. So I think switching between the meetings has been a bit of challenge. I think my background is also not correct, right? It is flashing.
Yeah.
Is that correct? Okay.
Yes.
So let me remove the virtual background, otherwise it will give you guys headache. Yeah. Is that okay now?
Best.
Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Assalamu alaikum to everyone here from UMT participating in this CCI campus drive for the management trainee. I'll take about 10-15 minutes and I was asked to share my perspective, my story. I'll tell you a bit about myself. And then if we have time, we'll leave 5 to 7 minutes for a couple of questions maybe. We have overrun a little bit on time, so we may not get a lot of time to chat, but you know, the team has already talked a lot about CCI and also about the management trainee program. I will share my perspective on this as we go along. So my name is Hassan Adnan. I have been with CCI for almost 5 years now. And before CCI, I have another about 20 years of professional career. So in total, a good 25 years in the corporate life, So I'll tell you briefly about how the journey was. I have had a diverse background in terms of my upbringing. So lived in various cities, lived outside Pakistan for a little while as well. And I have had different experiences as I was growing up. When I say different experiences, meaning by different kind of, you know, career choices as well. I went to the Air Force as well for 2 to 3 years, then came back, joined government college here in Lahore. Then I decided to go for my MBA. And that's where I came, my paths crossed with UMT, in those days, ILM. So I studied there for about a year after my graduation from government college. So in that sense, I am an alumni from ILM, UMT, which became UMT. And Dr. Hassan Sohaib Murad, marhoom, we always saw him as a mentor. So from those early days of this institution, he was a mentor to us and helped me transition from here to my studies abroad, where I completed my degree. So in that sense, you know, I have that strong association with this institution. And I've always seen it with a lot of pleasure to see this institution grooming, growing, and becoming bigger every single day. So from there, after my MBA, I came back and I joined as a management trainee. So I was looking around to enter into the professional life. And when I met with a lot of HR professionals in the industry, the advice I got was that, you know, try to join a management trainee program, which will accelerate my exposure into, you know, different areas of the business. So that's what I did. I appeared in a number of management trainee programs, and I finally got selected in Pakistan Tobacco Company, British American Tobacco arm in Pakistan, back in '96. So September '96, when I joined formally and began my corporate experience. Before that, I have had a few working experiences earlier on as well, but this was the stepping into the professional life. And I chose HR. And probably if you see, throughout my career journey, throughout my life, I kind of, you know, going into the Air Force, deciding, no, this is not the path for me, coming back into this side of the table, and then going for an MBA, then choosing HR over other fields as well at that time. So in some ways, you would see in my story that, you know, I always took the road less traveled by. And, you know, maybe that's something to do with the personality, but also I strongly believe that, you know, that allowed me to grab a lot more opportunities. So I chose HR. And then I won't bore you with a long journey over 16 years with that company, in 2 factories, very, very diverse kind of, places, Akoda Khatak, JLM, head office. Then I went abroad to Middle East. I did a startup for BAT in Iran, then Dubai, then came back as the HR director in Pakistan. Then I went to London in the global roles. Before that, I took over the South Asia area as well, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. And then I spent about 5 years in London on the global HR roles for 180 markets across the globe. During those, I kept on gathering a lot of experiences. One of the biggest experience was driving cultural change, which helped me change my own hardwiring and my outlook towards the corporate sector. And one of the common thing, one of the critical learning of my early phase of this career was that there are 2 key levers that the businesses can really leverage to drive business growth or to turn around the businesses. And those 2 levers are culture and leadership. So primarily people and culture. And a lot of businesses fail to do so. So that became part of my own hardwiring and my own belief system. And that's what I've practiced rest of my life, even after moving from BAT. So after BAT, I moved on. I went back into, school. So I studied further. I went back to University of Oxford. I did some executive coaching accreditation. I did my fellowship with CIPD on HR side, and I joined consulting background. So I thought I've done enough of corporate, so consulting is the new experience. So I gathered that experience for about 3-4 years. I became an entrepreneur. I set up my own consulting as well. And while I, went through a tough time and was enjoying doing it, CCI opportunity came up and I picked up this opportunity and joined as an HR director. Now, the thing that I picked up was because they wanted to focus a lot on culture and leadership, and that has been my passion. That has become my passion. So I joined CCI, and over the last 4.5 years in the HR director role, that's what I kind of focused. And with all the colleagues here on the call, we tried out a lot of things. We had huge successes, and we had, many failures as well, but we learned. At the end, what we were trying to do was improve the culture. What culture is, culture is formed by 2,500 people in CCI, and we basically hinged the culture on the 4 values that you have seen. One of the values you see on the cup as well. So accountability, integrity, teamwork, and passion. We tried to bring that out in 2,500 people. And we tried out some crazy things which created a lot of buzz in the business as well. But as an outcome now, what we see is that these 2,500 people not only see the values being hung on the wall, but they try to live these values on an everyday basis, right? And we feel that, that became a foundation of our cultural transformation. The other thing that we tried to focus on was leadership. And then, we said that one person or the leadership team alone cannot lead this business because the view from the top and the view from the bottom will be very different. So we expanded this leadership community to 150 people. So we said top 150 is driving this business, and we transformed those top 150 people in the business to own and lead this business. That's how we are driving it. So culture and leadership, these are the 2 hallmarks of how we are running CCI. And we have an ecosystem, which is culture, values, leadership, and then More recently, we have talked about love, you know, and when we want our people to love the company, it is more important that the company loves your people. That's what we truly practiced and lived through this difficult period of COVID. And as a result, our sense of belonging for our employees with the company has significantly gone up, because we actually put our people in front or as a top priority throughout this very difficult phase. And as a result, what people have done is taken our business to the next level. So that's the story that we've talked about. Ali briefly talked about it, that, you know, in terms of taking the road less traveled by, I've taken the challenge to move into sales. So for last 1 month, I am into sales, and I'm delivering. I'm actually responsible for delivery of sales volumes for, you know, which is about 50% of Pakistan. So that's a new exciting experience that I have embarked upon. That's my story. Now, there are a few things that I would like to mention to you. One thing people talk about it, that what is the recipe for, I won't say success. Success is relative. So success, my journey can be seen as success by many, and by many, they do not see as a success. So success is very relative. But what I see in terms of my own growth, what I've experienced is, I was up for taking new initiatives. So I was the kind of person, first one to raise my hand and, you know, really jump into a new initiative, jumping into unknown. So I would always embark upon that. So taking initiative and pushing myself out of comfort zone into unknown. That was number one. Number two, being curious. Every day trying to learn something new. And even after spending 25 years, every day I learn something new about people, about culture, about the business. So that was number two. So be curious. Number three, be courageous. So don't be afraid. You can't live your life and career with fears. Be courageous and take gutsy move and gutsy decision. What will happen at worst is that you will fail. And if you fail early on in your career, you will develop yourself even better. So these were the three things that I experienced are very, very valuable for my own journey. I'll also briefly talk about the 5 Ps concept that I talk to many youngsters, even in conferences or in informal chats. And those 5 things are relevant to all of you entering into professional life soon. Number one, you got to perform. There is no shortcut. So you will have to have, you know, a strong credibility of delivering. Number two, potential. You got to demonstrate potential. Understand how companies evaluate potential and demonstrate that potential not only for your current role, but for your future roles as well. Number three, you got to connect with people. So third P is people. People at all levels, 360 degree. You got to learn and be agile and understand how would you manage your line manager, teams, peers. So people is the third element. Number 4 is passion. Put your heart and soul into what you're doing. So a lot of people get stuck with the JD. I like certain part of the job description. I do not like certain part of the JD. My belief is, you know, if you put your passion into what you're doing, you will actually transform your JD. So that's passion is number 4. And finally, number 5, number 5th P is positivity. You got to manage your own motivation. And positivity is a great blessing. Negativity will pull you down. So you got to make sure that you manage your positivity to overcome the negative forces. You got to manage the negative grapevine wherever you're working, even in your institution, even in your company, you would experience that negative grapevine. and you got to come up with. Don't wait for your line manager, for company, for anyone else, external environment to motivate you. You got to manage your own positivity. So these are 5 P's. Finally, if you really want to enjoy and progress your career, a few of the things that I encounter more in the Pakistani national culture, and I want to leave you with that challenge as well. Number 1, our national culture produces a lot of people with yes, sir. We don't want yes, sir. The international global carriers and companies do not appreciate yes, sir. We want people to be able to challenge and challenge in a right manner. So learn to be assertive, learn to challenge in the right manner from day 1. Number 2, don't be powerless victim that I am at the bottom of the food chain, so I am a follower and I can't do anything. I can't make an impact. From day 1 as a management trainee, if you join CCI, you should learn to make an impact. You should learn to influence people around you. You should learn to influence the environment and the company from day 1. So do not get into powerless victim mentality that we see very commonly in our national culture. And finally, the third thing is the leadership begins even now. Even now, you are a leader. And it begins with leadership of self. So a lot of time when I talk about youngsters, you know, they say, oh, company has to change ABC. Our line managers have to change this. But your leadership journey begins with changing yourself. So take control of yourself. Take control of your emotions, emotional intelligence, take control of your all other components of self-leadership. And then you will start on stepping on the leadership journey as you go on in your career. Do not wait that once I get to a leadership, senior leadership position, then I will start making the difference. You will start creating value from day 1. That's why we say uncover leader in you from day 1. And if you are up for it, join CCI, and I wish you all the best through the process. Thanks. That's what I wanted to say. I'm not sure if we have time, I can take a couple of questions. So over to the team now.
I think we can take maybe a few questions if there are any. So I think Hassan's statements and Hassan's experience overall is a true testament of how he has grown within his career, experiencing different facets of his professional life. And now he's embarked on another exciting journey, which is cross-functional. So again, at CCI, this is a testament that we allow you to grow across functions as well and explore different areas of your interest as well. So in case anybody has any questions related to his experience, related to his role as a leadership team member at CCI, please feel free to unmute and ask him a question. This is a great opportunity for all of you.
Shahrukh, there is one question in the chat box for Hassan specifically. So Sanan is asking, which has been more valuable in your career, your education or your experience, Hassan?
Both. Education is great. Education is primarily helping you to open up your mind and expand your thinking horizons. And then experience, there is no substitute to experience. So like I shared, after spending 16 years in an international career, I felt that, you know, my vision has become a bit narrow. And so that's why I invested in myself for a couple of years in various education programs and expanding my own capabilities. What it did to me was help me to expand my thinking horizons. So that's what I did. And I was able to leverage that when I joined either consulting or later on CCI, I could practice that more so. So I think it's not either or, it's both. And every single day is an opportunity to learn. Every single day, you have an opportunity to make yourself a better professional, better person than yesterday. And if you're not doing it, I mean, in my books, then you're not a high potential talent. Then you don't demonstrate the learning agility to improve yourself. So let me also confess that when I started career back in '96, I didn't have the same thinking. I thought that, you know, by working very hard for 5-6 years, we'll get to a certain level and then we will chill. Uske baad, you know, zindagi will become very enjoyable and we will be in a leadership position and we will enjoy that authority and autonomy and all of that. But through that phase, I learned it's not like that. Every year or every step you take on a leadership ladder, actually your curiosity should go up. Your need to learn and adapt and improve yourself even becomes stronger. Otherwise, you know, you won't be able to enjoy leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is not a rank or a title or, you know, or an experience. Leadership is not a privilege. You have to earn leadership every single day. And you can only do that if you are learning every single day and improving yourself. So guys, I mean, this is not a destination that you are achieving a degree. It is a stepping stone into a professional career. After that, you should be investing in yourself to expand your thinking horizons further every single day of your life.
Great. So I hope that answers your question, Sanan. So anybody else who wants to ask Hassan a question?
This is my favorite question. Why language plays a more important role in our industry? This is true. देखिए, international companies में अगर आपने जाना है MNCs में, तो language will play a role, but language is not a determining factor, right? I have a lot of examples where I've seen people coming from very humble institutions and humble backgrounds, but then they improved themselves every single day and they have grown into international career. So I've seen that. I have a lot of examples. So it is pronounced. You are right, because हमारी business language is English or business language है English, but at the same time, you know, you would find that in CCI, this is not a defining criteria. Actually, people who need improvement in English language, they are supported with the language training in the company. A lot of our markets have a lot of issues with their English language and they are being supported. So this is not a defining criteria, but your comment is right. Guys, I mean, it is right or wrong. हम कह सकते हैं कि language, why language is so important. And I understand it should be talent. It should be your criteria. But is there anything in you that can overcome if your language is not up to mark? Bring that out. If you will bring that out, companies will notice it, right? Do not become a powerless victim and say, oh, in companies ne to अंग्रेजी के ऊपर रखना है, and that's why मैं रह गया. That's not an excuse, guys. In life, there are no excuses. There are no excuses. Either you change or you change yourself. So, या companies के criteria को change कर लो, या अपने आप को change कर लो. There is no middle road जहाँ पे आप कहो कि यार इस excuse के साथ I couldn't get into a great company. So rest assured, CCI में this is not a defining criteria, but it is a reality in the corporate. Language plays a role in terms of your appearances, in terms of making a mark. But if you're not great at that, you must bring in something unique onto the table that the companies cannot miss. I hope that answers the question.
Hello.
जी जी
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
This is Zaid Khan. अच्छा
जी जैद।
हसन, मैंने ये पूछा करना था कि हमारे यहाँ जैसे यूएमटी के अंदर हमारे बिजनेस जो स्कूल्स हैं वो दो हैं, एक एसबीए डिपार्टमेंट है और एक एसपीए डिपार्टमेंट है। यहाँ पे मोस्टली लड़के जो है मिक्स बैठे हुए हैं, एसपीए डिपार्टमेंट के भी बैठे हुए हैं और एसबीए डिपार्टमेंट के भी बैठे हुए हैं, और वो कंटिन्यूसली यही चैट में हो रहा है कि हम एलिजिबल हैं कि नहीं। एक एसपीए डिपार्टमेंट है जो मास्टर्स करवा रहा है 14 ईयर एजुकेशन के बाद, 2 इयर्स का मास्टर, ठीक है, वो एलिजिबल है नहीं है। और एक एसबीई है जो 4 इयर्स बैचलर बीबीए के बाद मास्टर्स करवाता है एमबीए 2 इयर्स का, 1.5 इयर्स का, वो तो एलिजिबल हैं। एसपीए डिपार्टमेंट के जो 2 इयर्स प्रोग्राम है मास्टर्स का, वो एलिजिबल हैं कि नहीं है? उनकी टोटल जो बनती है मतलब क्वालिफिकेशन, वो 16 ईयर एजुकेशन बनती है मास्टर्स करने के बाद।
G team, do you want to take it? But I mean, if it's a 16 years education, to me, it appears that probably they should be eligible as well. But I'll leave the talent team to answer that.
Yes. So for any role within our organization, when we even talk about lateral positions and lateral roles as well, the minimum qualification that we look for is at least 16 years of education, and that is now a standard across Pakistan, where aapke paas 16 years of education zarur honi chahiye. And I understand that a lot of the institutes across Pakistan are doing that for people who have completed only 14 years of education. So unke liye this is an additional program that institutes are offering taaki unka 16 years complete ho jaye. But if those people from that particular department have completed, the thing here is that you must have completed your program, or if you're in your last semester, you are eligible to apply for it.
Okay, thank you.
G, any other question? Final one for me. Otherwise, then you can continue with the.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
जी Allah का शुक्र.
So मेरा question था regarding the induction process. At your time when you were inducted by Coca-Cola, तो तब online नहीं था सारा system. Now obviously it was on papers and stuff. तो अब things are different. Everything is virtual. अब जैसे first of all there will be application, then there will be online assessment. तो mostly मेरा जो question है that would be around online assessment. So not only Coke, but there are other MNCs which are using the same procedure. For example, I applied in Unilever and my online assessment was cleared. Then I was supposed to send them an online interview using HireView application or website, whatever it is. तो मैंने वो भेजी. After that, I never received any email from them. So I think the system should be more transparent, which is not the case here. Even if we talk about your organization, तो यहाँ पे भी वो case नहीं है. I think I have completed some assessments for your organization in the past too, because I'm a graduate of 2017. I graduated as a mechanical engineer. Currently, I am doing masters in engineering management from UMT. तो मुझे आपका ये जो मतलब इन सब MNCs का जो अब का criteria है, जो system है, मुझे इसमें transparency नहीं नजर आती. Like we should at least know our weak points ताकि we can improve it, right? तो ये चीज मैं मतलब ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि even if we did not clear it, like even if we do not clear the assessment, we should be at least told by the team कि हमें क्या weaknesses थी, like which part are we lacking in, so हम उसको improve कर सकें.
Ghufran, I will ask the team to answer it in more detail, but from my perspective, I think transparency is a very strong word. MNCs are trying to be very transparent in terms of the process and really select people on merit.
I agree,
and that's what we do. And we take a lot of pride in it. Jo aapka question hai in terms of feedback, that's a very valid suggestion and ideally hona chahiye. But I remember जब हमने revamped management trainee program 2017 में शुरू किया तो 13,000 plus applications हमारे पास आई. We don't have the headcount capacity to go back to 13,000 people and actually provide them feedback.
No, sir.
अभी
The
last
system is
session में भी-
automated. So system is automated. Sir, सारा system automatic है. Computers का दौर है, obviously. तो देखिए ना, let's say assessment है, ठीक है? It is divided into parts, analytical and then quantitative. Let's say मतलब 4-5 sections में divide हुआ है. Okay. For example, if I do not perform well in, let's say, quantitative, ठीक है? तो the system should automatically at least send me a mail after selecting or deselecting me that you did not perform well in the quantitative section and you should improve yourself in this field and whatever it is. तो ये चीज मैं कह रहा हूँ. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि
टेस्ट के हवाले से गुफरान किया जा सकता है. But
Yes,
in
sir.
terms of interviews and assessments, it becomes a massive exercise.
Sir, interview is the last stage. मैं टेस्ट की ही बात कर रहा हूँ, ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट की ही बात कर रहा हूँ. मोस्टली PNG भी लेती है, PNG पे भी मैंने दिया हुआ है, यूनिलीवर का भी दिया है, एंड आई क्लियर्ड दैट. बट उसके बाद इंटरव्यू एंड आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी रिस्पांस फ्रॉम देम. वो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड जो भी था, उसके बाद
जी।
कोविड स्टार्ट हो गया था, तो मे बी
जी गुफरान, हमने जो प्रोसेस किया था जिसमें हमने 1 साल गेमिंग भी इंट्रोड्यूस की थी, वहां पे आई रिमेम्बर द फीडबैक वाज बीइंग सेंट बिकॉज वो सिस्टम अलाउड दैट टू हैपन. बट आई विल लीव द टीम टू respond back and take any inputs. Wish you all the best and मेरी तरफ से खुदा हाफिज.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Hassan.
Hassan.
So Ghufran, that's the point very well taken. And the thing is that yes, before like Hassan also said that interviewing ke andar हमारे लिए it's very difficult to reach out to each and every candidate. But yes, we do inform the candidates at different steps along the way. In the new scheme of things, where we do let them know that they have not qualified for the last step. However, like I've said this in the chat as well, please do feel free to reach out to us,
Yes, ma'am, you're right, you do inform, but that is just unfortunately we are not going to move forward with your application, and that's it. Like, that is it, nothing else. Like, no information why you have not been selected, what are your weaknesses, what were your strengths. So at least there should be a small assessment which should be provided back to the candidate, so at least he can improve himself.
Let me just add over here. Fran, you see that we have a lot of applications, more than 10,000 plus applicants apply in the management trainee process, be it a lateral position, उसमें भी बहुत सारे लोग apply करते हैं. So usually the process is कि जब when the entire process is concluded, a standard email goes out to all the candidates who've not been selected के आप select नहीं हुए. But as an individual, it is your responsibility. It's just an advice, and this is personally something that I have also done in the past when I was applying for management training programs. I have reached out to the people of the organization, the recruiters, the HR personals who were looking after the process, and I've personally tried to tried to get in touch with them and understand where did I lack. Interview में मैंने क्या lack किया था, so that they can give me a more specific feedback. You should also understand that as HR individuals, they're already occupied with a lot of things. But yes, you're right. Feedback should be given, but as an individual, it is also your responsibility to reach out to them and ask कि exactly हुआ क्या था. And with that, I think Shahrud.
Isn't that information classified? I don't think they would provide.
No. If as an individual, I'm telling you, if you want to know something that you've lacked, कहीं पे आप you feel कि मैंने कुछ miss out किया, you reach out to that individual खुद से, ठीक है?
सानिया, मैं ऐड अगर कुछ करना चाहूँ यहाँ पे, जो गुफरान कह रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि आप स्कोरिंग कर दें. स्कोरिंग होनी चाहिए हर चीज की. एनालिटिकल जो पोर्शन है उसकी स्कोरिंग हो के हमें पता लग जाए कि कहाँ पे हमें कितना स्कोर मिल रहा है, हम पास आउट हुए नहीं हुए उस स्कोर में, किस में हमें लैक हुआ है, किस पोजीशन में, मतलब किस फंक्शन के अंदर मतलब हमने लैक किया. इनके कहने का ये मतलब है कि जब हम ये गेम्स होती हैं, जो जितनी भी FMCG कंपनीज हैं, ये करवाती हैं जब भी गेम्स वगैरह होती हैं जिसके अंदर आप सब कुछ क्या कहते हैं एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दे रहे होते हैं
Right,
तो
right.
4
So
to 5
Zaid,
parts
that's a you can say process oriented question. अगर हमारा system allow करता है to share that report with the candidate, and if the system is that smart, then why not? I mean, the company should work on it. Thank you for the suggestion. Yes.
So we have the last process, which is the PXT. Now the PXT is actually an online assessment, which gives a very detailed report into the person and the person's personality traits, जिसकी basis पे हम further dig deep करते हैं कि what are the areas that need to be further assessed for the candidate. So again, it's a quantifiable report. And जैसे जैसे हम process के अगले steps पे जाएंगे, we can also share that report with the candidate as well. Okay, so I would want to answer one question that Aiza has posted, that how higher positions can be grasped if having more experience in education, what's the procedure to do so? So Aiza, the thing is that having more experience or more education in this particular process, you have to understand that the management training program is a group program, which is going to allow you to go through a training process within the function of your choice. So for instance, अगर आप HR select करते हो या आप sales select करते हो और supply chain select करते हो, it will allow you to develop within a course of 12-month period. And at the end of the 12-month period, you graduate into a management role. Now, the management training program is an accelerated development program, जिसके अंदर हमारा aim ही ये है कि हम fresh top talent, and by top talent I mean individuals who have the potential, who have that drive, who have that capability to work and to prove themselves in a competitive environment and prove themselves along with the rest of the batch that they have the potential for higher positions. So it's a gradual process, naturally, and again, you drive your own career, so you have the opportunity and the option to maneuver through the career opportunities that you get. जिसा हसन का भी अभी एग्जांपल दिया, HR से डायरेक्टली सेल्स के अंदर शिफ्ट हुए. We have many examples. We've had a management trainee who's currently now working as a trade marketing executive, looking after the North region. So he's a mechanical engineer, and he worked with us. He came on board with us as an engineer. He worked at 2 of our greenfield plants, and then during the course of his career, he decided to pursue another area of interest, which was marketing, and now he's thriving in that particular domain. So from the perspective of talent management and talent acquisition, if I can give you my 2 cents of advice, nothing is going to come to you in a hurry. You have to work towards it, right? You have to work towards it. And अब वो time नहीं है where we are talking about that you can get to a director level role by the age of 50 or 45 plus. Our marketing director is, I think, probably 36, 37. We have our youngest female manager is I think 30 years old. So with the new generation coming in, with the way that the organizations are evolving, it's the time or the seniority level to get to a senior role that is decreasing. But then again, it all depends upon you, how you are proving your potential, your worth to the organization through your contribution. So that is something that is very important. Hard work का कोई shortcut नहीं है. So hard work is something that is always going to be there, and it is a key essential to it's a key ingredient to success. And जिसा हसन ने भी बोला कि experience का कोई नेमोल बदल नहीं है. So again, you have to acquire these experiences through your time that you spend within an organization. So one thing that I can tell you, so I have a talent manager role, but other than my role, I do not just have my JD that I work on. There are so many projects, and the same thing, everybody in who's connected from our side in this call can also vouch for, that there are so many exciting projects that they get to work on. And these projects are not just Pakistan based. These projects require you to collaborate and synergize with our team members in different countries. So currently, I was working on a project which was being led by our HR head in Kazakhstan. So we're working on a project that is being led by the Turkey operations. So these are the opportunities that organizations such as CCI would also offer you, that you get the opportunity to cross borders, you get to enhance your perspective, your experience, and you get to grow and flourish within your career. So I hope that answers your question. Acha ji, so I just want to quickly show you guys something, because there were a lot of questions coming in around the application, and I am going to quickly just show you my screen. So here is the QR code. Please scan this QR code. If you're having any problems with the scanning the code, you can see the address below. Ambreen has also posted the link to the job posting in the chat section. Do go over it. Other than that, I would encourage all of you to keep following our social media pages, predominantly our Instagram. So you're going to get instant information for every step along the way. Our applications are now live. They have been live since yesterday. You are the second, you're actually the third institute that we are doing this virtual recruitment drive with. We are reaching out to a lot more institutes across the country and in different regions. And the application process is going to be live till the 15th of April. So make sure that you take out the time today, you log on to our career portal, and you fill in your application and you submit it. So do that before the 15th of April, because after 15th, our application process closes. And that is when we will head over to the initial shortlisting, and then we will move on to the next steps. Somebody had asked, ke, aap kab apna MT program start kar rahe hain? So the selection process is already started. We have gone live as of yesterday. The selection process is on and it's well on its way. We've already started receiving a lot of applications. So take your time and take out time today and submit your application today as well. Now, we will be concluding our process, the entire selection process, somewhere towards the mid of June. And we will be placing our final offers to the final selected shortlisted candidates towards the end of June. And we will be bringing the management trainees on board somewhere in August, because by August, most of the institutes would have, the graduating batches would be done with their degrees. So that is when we intend to bring the students on board who have been selected for the management training program. So you can scan the QR code, you can have a look at the link that's given. You can also directly click and log on to the link that Ambreen has shared in the chat, and you can head on over to our career portal and you can apply from there. All right, so with that, I would like to thank you, and I would just like to have one more request. Can I ask all of you guys to switch on your cameras? We would like to do a group picture with you, and you never know, you guys get featured on our social media as well. So I would request all of you to switch on your cameras, and the team would like to do a group picture with all of you. And with that, we will then close our session for the day. And because you guys were asking about reaching out and talking to individuals within the organization, leave a message for us. Leave a message for us on our social media, or we are all readily available on LinkedIn. Please reach out to us. We will be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have anything in particular that you want to ask, careers@ccbpl.com.pk is the email address for you. So send in your queries there if you want, but I would suggest, social media is the place where you can also easily get a very quick response from our end. And yeah, we're always here for you. And let us know if you have any queries, or let us know if you want any help or any guidance with respect to the selection process. Great to see all of your faces finally. And I really wish we could do this like we used to do it in the previous years, where we would come to your university. But I think we would continue to maintain this virtual connect, and you never know, we might be coming to your university again, and you would get to interact with us in some other capacity as well. So we look forward to our collaboration with UMT, and we're very excited, and we are looking forward to maybe seeing you in some of the different selection rounds of the management training program, and maybe have some lucky UMT graduate part of the management training program as well. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you for a lovely session. Thank you for all your questions, all your queries, and keep in touch. Again, like I said, reach out to us on LinkedIn. We'd be more than happy to help you. We'd be more than happy to guide you as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our Instagram. So it's Coca-Cola CCI. Make sure when you're searching for us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook. You can follow any one of us on LinkedIn as well. We'd also be posting live updates as well to the recruitment process. So thank you so much. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Saira, for letting us have this opportunity. And we'll keep in touch with you and your students as well.
All right. Thank you, guys. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck.
All the best, guys. Good luck.